Hey everyone, Cheryl asked me to step in today because she's busy out on the farm feeding the sheep. As you probably know, life on the farm never stops. So today, you're getting Cheryl's AI twin. Now, if you've been searching for 5 quiet ways introverts can make passive income online in 2026, no face required, then you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll discover 5 realistic online business models that you can quietly build from home, even if you never want to become an influencer, show your face on camera, or tell your family and friends what you're working on. In fact, the business model I'm saving until the very end is the one I'd personally choose if I had to start all over again in 2026. It's also the one that's capable of generating recurring monthly income instead of relying on one-off sales, so make sure you stick around for that. And if you'd like to learn exactly how Cheryl builds her affiliate marketing business, don't forget to watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass by clicking the first link in the description below. All right, let's jump in. But before we do, I want to make one thing clear. When I say quiet, I don't mean easy. None of these business models are get-rich-quick schemes. None of them will make you $10,000 overnight. They all take consistency, but they can all be built quietly, behind the scenes, without becoming internet famous. And for a lot of introverts, that's exactly the point. Let's start with number 5. Number 5 is creating and selling digital products. This is one of the simplest ways to start building passive income because you create something once and then sell it again and again. Think ebooks, Canva templates, checklists, printable planners, AI prompt packs, or anything else that helps someone solve a problem. The great thing is there's no inventory, no packing boxes, no shipping products. Once you've created it, it can continue selling while you're spending time with your family, relaxing at home, or even sleeping. Now, does it happen automatically? Not at first. You still need people to discover your products. But once they're live, they become an asset that can continue earning for years. The only downside? You still have to create the product yourself, and maybe you're thinking, I don't really want to spend weeks creating something. If that's you, then you'll probably like number 4 even more. Number 4 is blogging. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Isn't blogging dead? People have been saying that for years, and they're still saying it. But the truth is, blogging hasn't disappeared. It's evolved. In fact, I think written content is becoming even more valuable. With so much AI-generated content flooding the internet, people are looking for genuine opinions, real experiences, and helpful advice from real people. A blog gives you the opportunity to quietly build traffic from search engines without ever switching on a camera. And once visitors start arriving, there are multiple ways to make money. Display advertising, affiliate marketing, selling your own products, growing your email list, or even attracting sponsorships. One article you write today could still be bringing in visitors 3 or 4 years from now. That's the power of evergreen content. But here's the thing. Blogs take time. You write today. The traffic often comes later. So what if you wanted something that could generate income much sooner? Well, that's where number 3 comes in. Number 3 is Amazon affiliate marketing. This is probably one of the easiest ways for complete beginners to start making money online because you don't need your own product. You simply recommend products that already exist. Let's say you love a particular microphone, coffee machine, book, kitchen gadget, camping product, or even farm equipment. You join the Amazon Associates program, receive your own unique affiliate links, and whenever someone purchases through one of those links, you earn a commission. Now, I know what some people say, but Amazon commissions are tiny, and yes, some of them are, but that's actually missing the bigger picture. Amazon isn't about making one huge commission. It's about creating lots of little commissions that can add up over time, especially if your content continues getting views month after month. Imagine writing a helpful blog post, creating a YouTube video, or sharing your favorite products in an email. Those links can continue working long after you've published them. And here's something a lot of beginners don't realize. People don't always buy the exact product you recommend. If they click your affiliate link and end up purchasing other eligible items during the qualifying period, you may still earn a commission. Pretty interesting, isn't it? Now, would I build my entire online business around Amazon affiliate marketing? Personally, no, and there's a very important reason why. In fact, the reason I wouldn't is because my number one recommendation is so much more powerful. But before we get there, we've still got 2 more business models to cover. And number 2 is where things start getting really interesting. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass by clicking the first link in the description below. It walks you through the entire process step by step. All right, let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is creating online courses. Now, before you think, I don't know enough to teach anyone, let me challenge that for a moment. You don't need to know everything. You simply need to know more than the person you're helping. People don't buy courses because they want more information. They buy them because they want a clear roadmap from someone who's already achieved the result they're looking for. And here's the best part. You don't have to show your face. Your course could include slides, screen recordings, written lessons, audio lessons, worksheets, or templates. If it helps people solve a problem, they'll care far more about the result than whether they ever see you on camera. But there is one downside. You still have to create the course and keep it updated, which brings us to my number 1 recommendation. If someone asked me today, if I had to start again from scratch in 2026, which business model would I choose? My answer would be this: affiliate marketing using AI and YouTube. Every single time. Here's why. When I first started trying to make money online, I bounced from one opportunity to another. Every new business model looked like the answer. I'd spend weeks learning something new, only to abandon it when the next shiny opportunity appeared. Looking back, I wasn't building a business. I was building a collection of unfinished projects. But everything changed when I stopped chasing every opportunity and committed to one business model: affiliate marketing. Instead of creating products myself, I recommended products and services I genuinely believed would help people. Then I discovered recurring affiliate programs. That meant instead of earning one commission, I could continue earning month after month while customers remained subscribed. That's when everything started to click. I combined that with YouTube because it's one of the best free traffic sources in the world. People are already searching for solutions every single day. And today, AI makes creating helpful content faster than ever. It can help you research ideas, write scripts, organize content, and dramatically reduce the time it takes to publish videos. Now let's bust a few myths. You don't need thousands of subscribers. You don't need paid advertising. You don't need expensive software. And you definitely don't need to show your face. What you do need is consistency, helpful content, a willingness to keep learning, and the discipline to stick with one business model long enough to become good at it. That's why I believe affiliate marketing with AI and YouTube is one of the biggest opportunities available in 2026. You're building content that keeps working. You're building an email list instead of relying on social media. And when you focus on recurring affiliate programs, you're creating income that can continue growing month after month. If you'd like to know exactly how this works, watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass by clicking the first link in the description below. It's completely free and will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's quickly recap. Today, we've covered 5 quiet ways introverts can build passive income online in 2026, creating digital products, blogging, Amazon affiliate marketing, online courses, and finally, affiliate marketing using AI and YouTube. If I had to start all over again tomorrow, this is still the path I'd choose. Not because it's the easiest, but because it's simple, scalable, and doesn't require you to become internet famous. Choose one business model, master it, help people consistently, and let time do the heavy lifting. Now that you've learned 5 quiet ways, introverts can make passive income online in 2026, no face required. The next thing you'll want to watch is my video, 7 Passive Income Ideas for Introverts Who Want Income, Not Internet Fame. Click on the video that's appearing on your screen now because it'll give you even more ideas for building a profitable online business without showing your face. I'll see you over there.